Welcome to the Dad Bod. Subscription boxes, mystery boxes, clothing boxes, they've all seen a major boom in sales over the past year and a half. And it makes sense. We spent a year stuck at home. But with the boom of these boxes, it also led to a boom of issues. Some boxes you get exactly what you expect. With the gentleman's box and the Sprezza boxes, I love the items I get. They're absolutely worth more than what I pay for the boxes. But other boxes, such as the Gadget Discovery Club, the Stately Man clothing box, to me it was nothing but a waste of money. My goal with these videos is to help you to better know what comes in the different boxes so that way you can decide if it's something that you want to sign up for or if it's something you want to avoid. I was signed up for the Stately Man box for a while. After wasting hundreds and hundreds of dollars with them, I realized that I was not going to get the value from them that they promised on their website. I ended up getting 3 boxes from them with clothes that just didn't fit, and when I exchanged them, they just sent more clothes that didn't fit, and then they charge you to exchange those. They finally admitted to me over the phone that they can't handle people who are short or tall or a little bit heavy. That's when I switched to the Winston Box, and a whole new nightmare began. I signed up in January of 2021. The box is geared toward bigger and taller people. I did the size profile. I signed up for the work box at $175 per quarter plus shipping. I put down that I wear a size 42 by 30 pants. I put my sleeve and collar size for shirts, and I put a 2XLT for tops. Then I waited. My first box arrived and just a few weeks later. It was pretty quickly. It had 2 pairs of pants, a dress shirt, and a sweater. The information on the Winston Box website says that they make their own clothes and that they actually started factories in South America to make them. But some of the clothes come from Asia and it's not made from the Winston Box company. It's not a bad thing, it's just something that I noticed that didn't quite add up. The pants that I received were Winston Box made pants. They were also sized wrong. The label says 42 by 30 and that's what I wear, but when I actually measured them, it was more like a 46 by 30. They didn't fit and they were not made according to size. The rest of the items were not made by the Winston Box as far as I can tell. The shirt was a 2XLT. I have lots of 2XL t-shirts, but this one was huge on me. I mean, I could fit 2 of me in it. And the same with the sweater. The sweater actually kind of looked like a dress on me. So I sent them back for an exchange and I told them about the issues that I had so that way it can be corrected with the exchange and going forward. I got another box about a month later in late February. I wasn't sure if it was the exchange or my next box, and it didn't say. I couldn't find anything on the website. I messaged them to inquire, but they never responded. It does say that the exchanges are done with the next scheduled box, but since I couldn't see anything about another quarter being shipped, and only about a month had passed, I assumed that this was probably just the exchange. This box had a zip-up sweater, a dress shirt, a pair of Winston Box slacks, and a pair of Cutler slacks. They reduced my waist size on file because the Winston pants are made much larger than the size, so that way the new ones, they fit fine. The quality sucked, but they fit fine. But then the Cutler slacks didn't fit because, they actually sized them properly, and since they reduced my size on file, the Cutler pants were too small. And they were also a horrible, horrible, ugly orange color. The zip-up sweater had a 1XB size. I don't actually know what that means. XL, yes. XLT, yes. XB, no idea. It fit okay, but it shrunk like crazy in the wash. At this point now, I can only wear it with the sleeves pulled up to my elbows. And then the dress shirt sleeves were way too short. I wear a 38-inch sleeve size, and these were more like a 35. So I sent the dress shirt and the Cutler pants back for an exchange, and then I didn't hear or see anything in March. In April, I noticed that they charged my card again for the next order, which tells me that the February box was actually the exchange. In May, I finally sent them a message through their website asking for tracking info for the April box since I still hadn't received anything. In mid-May, I sent them another message through their website as well as an email. At the end of May, I sent them another message, another email, and at this point, I was starting to get pretty annoyed. Early June, I went and did it again, still no reply, and that's when I started getting mad. I ended up sending them a message through their message system. I canceled my subscription and left them the same information for my reason for canceling. I emailed them. I couldn't actually find a phone number at this point, so I waited a few more days before reaching out to my credit card to try to protest the charge. The credit card page gave me a phone number to call and I left a voicemail. A few days later, I sent another message, another email, another voicemail, a Facebook Messenger message, and I went and wrote about what was going on for nearly 20 of the Winston Box most recent Facebook posts, comments, and ads. I woke up the other day to an email saying that they're going to refund me half of the first box since I only kept 2 of the 4 items, and then they're going to refund me the whole second box since they never actually shipped it. A few days later, the refund showed up, so now I'm officially done with them. I did sign up for the Thread Beast. It's another clothing subscription box. The video for that one will be showing up this weekend, so keep an eye out. And in the meantime, check out this month's Spreads a Box. I'm going to show you all of the boxes that you can choose from, and I'm going to unbox the one that I picked. And I'll see you there.